Okay, good evening to you all. Today is 11th September 2025, which is our day six of this website development webinar. Like I said, this webinar will last for about 10 days, and today is our day six. Like always, we start by showing our outlines. That is what we are to cover for the day. So, like always, we are going to have a recap on what we did yesterday. And then today we'll start the development of NGO website. And then after that, we'll have question and answer if there is any. And then we'll have conclusion and we call it a day. So if you can recall, yesterday we finished the touching or the editing of our company website where we finish all the homepage, we move to the services, we move to about, we move to contact. We all put that together yesterday, if you can recall. We work on that. We finish everything, including the header, the footer, how to put the logo and how to edit the footer, how to do everything. We did it together. Most especially, I show you how to save a section or a container, how you can save it and then use it in another page. These are what we have done, what we have covered yesterday. And the website is there also. If you want to check it, you can go to the Ahmad uh, website, webinar.com.ng. You'll be able to see what we have developed so far together. So that in brief what we have discussed or what we have done yesterday. Today we are going to start developing an NGO website. So I'm stopping the sharing of screen. So I believe those of you that are on Zoom, you cannot see it. Okay. So here it is. What we are going to do, like I told you, we are going to use a subdomain for us to do that. We can be able to create two subdomains for this hosting plan, which we already have one. I think is this okay? It's not subdomain. So let me go back to subdomain. We have a subdomain here. It is. So we need to delete that subdomain that we have and we name it maybe ngo.hamadtechnologies.com. So I'm deleting this subdomain. So let me click on delete and also remove all the directory. I'm removing everything related to the subdomain. So now we are creating a subdomain and we are calling that subdomain, we'll call it NGO. So let's click on add and we are going to call it NGO. So we are going to call it ngo.hamadwebsitewebinar.com.ng. So click on NGO. So this is it. We created this, uh, what do we call it, subdomain. So let's go back. So what we are going to do is to install the SSL certificate for it. So click on SSL certificate so that the subdomain will have that HTTPS in it. You see that it is now is the only one without the HTTPS. So let's click on it and then click on save. So you tick it. All these that you have seen here, they have SSL certificate. It's only this ngo.hamad webinar that we just created that doesn't have this SSL certificate. So now we are installing the SSL certificate, which I believe you all know how to do that. Okay, can you all hear me? Can you hear me, please? Okay, so thank God. So now we have installed the SSL certificate on this NGO because it's the only one that we want to install the certificate for. So the next thing we are going to do is to go back to this get automatic. So when we come back, you see you need to tick this force SSL certificate with HTTPS direct. Click on save so that it will force the URL to HTTPS. Then I will click on this. We are here. So now the next thing we are going to do, if you like, you can increase the size, you can increase the upload and everything. You can do it here if you want. But to me, I think it's just normal. We don't need to increase anything. But if you like, go there, go to PHP setting. So under PHP setting, we have to select the domain name. So it's fine. We are not adding anything for the subdomain since it's taking everything related to this main domain. So thank God we are not adding anything. So everything is on this main domain that we just created. So now that's all. So let's go to subtitle clause. So here it is. Then I will click on install. So after clicking on install, this is it. So now what we are going to do, if you can recall, before we didn't select anything under here, but now we are selecting NGO because that's the new, the new URL or the new subdomain that we want to install on. So we are using this. So you come back, then we change the password. So let me change the password to one I used. So you to use anything that you want as your password. So I say don't touch anything apart from that. Then you click on installed. So now we finish the installation. So if you want to go to the website, you click on this. And if you want to go to administrative URL, you click on this. So we all know how to do this. So it's just for me to tell you this. And I believe you all know, you even master how to do that. So let's go to our main dashboard. Then from the dashboard, then we installed what we want to use and we start developing the NGO website. So like we always tell this, we don't want any assistance from any anything. All we need is we don't need any process. Click on I don't want to try any setup process. So it will take us directly to our main dashboard. The next thing we are going to start, I told you, whenever you come here, the first thing you are going to do, if you like, you go and delete all the sample page and all the post. It is best practice. If you want, just go and start deleting them first. If you don't want, then you need to go to general setting. But normally what I used to do, I start to delete everything, just delete whatever is inside so that we don't need anything on it. So just go to all pages also, delete all the pages that are there. If you like, you can leave this privacy and policy. Maybe you can use it later. But for now, we don't need it. We'll just delete this one. This one is in draft. Then we go to setting and under general. So under general, we make a name. So we put Hamad Foundation. So here we just put maybe I don't know what we are going to put. I don't even know. I don't know. Give us something, a tagline that we are going to put. Let's just leave it empty because it's optional. So for the logo, I always want to put this UR logo. So I don't want this WordPress logo. So let me just use the logo of Hamad Technology, the way we use it before. So you put the logo as the website favorite icon. That is the website icon, or you can see it favicon somewhere. So that's it. So all this www that is here will be gone. And HTTPS is already there since we forced it and installed it. So this one, we don't need to add the S. It's already there. So that's all what we are going to touch on that setting, and we click on saved. So now this is it. We have Hamad Foundation. Let me delete all this. We have Hamad Foundation. We have this page. Let me refresh the page and let me click on accept. We all this. The next thing is for us to move to theme. So when you go to appearance, then you go to themes. So I already told you when to or how to. So just click on add theme. All this, I'm taking these steps once again. I don't want to skip anything. I want to do everything together with you. And like I told you, we are doing everything together at this moment and it's live. So just keep following all this process and do it by yourself. So we are going to install still Astra. You see it's Astra. Please, it's Astra because there is a team that is called Astral with L at the end of it. Don't get confused. It's Astra, you will see it here. But maybe when you are doing it, sometimes we can change it to somewhere because this is not where Astra is before. I know. So you need to type the name to see it before. But now it's close by. Next time it might not be there, they can put astral there or something like that. So please take note on that so that you will not get confused and you will not install something that is not what you're supposed to install. So I'm installing the Astra. So we wait for it to finish installation and after that we continue. So after finish the installation, then you click on activate. So now we activate it after the installation. You know what we are going to start or what we are going to click on? We are clicking on let's get starter template. Let's get started with starter templates. So click on it, then it will activate the plugin of starter templates, and then we'll continue to starter templates. We are going to see about 300 plus of them. I told you there are premiums and there are also free. So you can go for free, or if you are, you know, big enough, you can use the paid ones, the premium ones, because the premium ones are the best ones. They are good. So if someone developed a website with the premium ones, his website will be more good looking, more professional, and it has more features. The website has more features than the free ones. So maybe if you have a big gig, that is, you get a big client that need a, the work you want, you collect a lot of money. You can buy the starter premiums template. It's not much. Maybe it will not cost up to $50 or $100. You can check and see. It's not that so you click on build. Okay, let me go back and tell you. You already know this. You click on classic starter template. We don't want to use the AI and we select Elementor as the uh builder. So we wait for it to load all the templates that are on the in the library. So we wait for it. We wait for it. Okay, here we go. So now since we are on or what do we call it? Since we are on NGO, if you come under this community, you're going to see this non-profit, church, charity. You're going to see them under non-profit. Just click on charity. So all the teams that are under charitable organization, foundations, and the rest, you're going to see them. They look like this, and they are very good looking website, NGO website that you can use to install. So you can scroll down and look at this. There are about like 15 of them or 20. You see, these are the websites here. But I'm going to take this one. Let me take this one because the way I saw it, I love it. And I knew the website before. Almost all these websites the free ones, I built website with them. So either for client or to teach other people and the rest. So I built it. I shared a video on my Facebook. I don't know if some of you have watched the video. I recorded the video around 20, it was in 2021. So the entire domain king is not the way it is now. So if you see my video of 2021 or 2020 or 2022, 23, you see that there are lots of differences in all the videos. So here it is. This is what we are going to use. I just love this website we are going to use. You see, it's a charitable website. You see, there are a lot of pictures that we don't even need to change them. We'll just leave it and then, we'll use this. Let's just continue. So we are going to click continue, but let's change the, maybe the color. So before I didn't show you how to change the color, but now we can change the color. So maybe we can use anything. Let's just change it. You see, we can use any. So this one is good, or this one, or this one, or that red one. But we can use this one, or let's use this green. It's fine. Anyway, anyone that we choose. So let's use this one. And you click on continue. So now I'm touching anything. So I'm clicking on continue. And we click on skip and continue. Click on I understand. Let's go. And you click submit and build my website. So we wait for it to finish and let's pray. It's not going to give us that error that it gave us before. But hopefully it will not. But let's keep praying. So it's here, it's just here. So if you have any question, you can ask question before this finish what it's doing, unless we continue. Oh boy, Hamad Hospitality Fund. I already have Hamad Foundation. I have registered Hamad Foundation as NGO. So that's why I use the name. Some of you are giving me Hamad Hospitality Foundation. Thank you for your contribution. I already have a Hamad Foundation, which it was registered. I think it's in this 20, no, I think it's in 2024. Is it 2024 or 2025? I can't recall. I've registered a foundation with CS, but it's a Hamad Foundation. Yeah. Okay, if you have any question you ask before this finished, or maybe we can just stay mute and wait for it to finish. It's at 9%. Is installing the plugin that is the Elementor plugin, which we chose as our page builder. We are at 13%. Someone was asking which software exactly is this. I don't know if you are with us. Maybe you just joined us tonight. So this already shows you. Yeah. If you ask which software, I don't even know why this question. Someone was asking why Astra Team. If you watch our day two video, you must definitely know why Astra Team. All these people that are new are just showing their face here. Someone asking, sir, what do you do in your foundation? Yeah, are you funding my foundation? If you are funding my foundation, then I will tell you I will tell you what we are doing. So you fund the foundation, and then I will tell you all about the foundation. Yeah, the foundation is part of what we are doing here now. We are teaching you for free now, you see. It's just all about capital, human capital development. It's all about that. So it's all about that. So, but normally we don't have any fund from anywhere. We fund our own foundation by ourselves. So Hamad Technologies is funding Hamad Foundation. So it's just the same company, but this one we are funding this with this. That's how we are doing. But if you have a fund and you want to give us a grant, we are free. Then you give us a grant. Okay, since you are new and you are following, definitely I talk about why we are using Astra. Maybe you miss it. Go back and watch the video again. Go back and watch the video. If you watch the video, you will hear it. I definitely told you why we are using Astra. But like I said, I'm just guiding you. I'm just telling you what to do. If you think you have something apart from Astra, you can download it and continue with it. So please, it's not like but I said it. I said it in the video why we are using it. Someone was asking how much are you going to charge a client? I told you I would talk about that before the finishing of this webinar. I will tell you that. Yeah, I know you are new. That's why you are asking us what software. You don't even need to say that. I know you are new. When you say which software is this, definitely I know you are new. So it's just like you just join us today. So sit back and watch. I'll talk about how to charge, how to call. It's not like I'll tell you how much you're going to charge people. It's not like that. But I'll just tell you, I'll guide you on what you need to collect from the client and how you are going to charge me. How you are going to charge it all depends on how you package yourself. Yeah, someone put $1,500. That's how you can charge whatever you want. It all depends on how you package yourself, how you do your things. You see, in Nigeria, I charge 60,000 for limited company in Nigeria, but abroad I charge 2,500 or 1,500 to create a corporate limited company. That's what I charge. So in Nigeria is 60,000, abroad is 1,500 or 2,500. I even charge 5,000 sometimes. So the way you package yourself, the way you charge your client. So Iklima said 1,500, you can charge 1,500. That is $1,500. You can charge that. But it depends on how you package yourself. It all depends. But I will guide you on what you need, on what to do, on what you need to collect, and how to go about it. So I'll guide you on that before the end of this webinar. So we have like after today's class, we have 3 days to go. So definitely the last day I'm going to teach you that. You see, we are about to finish this. It's like with a blink of the eye, we are finishing everything. No, me, I want to seriously. Thank you, Amaka. It's just like I don't need to. I don't need that application. I don't apply for all those things. So that's why I work hard and hard and harder to make my money and to fund whatever I want to fund with my own money. So that way I don't apply to all such grants, anything competition to get. No, no, no. But it's fine. You can open your own organization and do it you too if you are interested. But at Ama Technology, we make our money, and we fund our foundation. That's how we do it. And we have our reasons why we are doing it. So we are at 90%. We are at 90%. We are at 90%. Here we go. So let's wait for it to finish and then we continue. Oh, congratulations. And that's here it comes. So let's click on it to view our website. So let's click on it to view our website. So we wait for it. I don't know what's taking this NGO website too long to load. Is it my network? Can you hear me, please? I don't know if you can hear me. Maybe the network is has gone gaga or something like that. Some of you, daddy is going to kill you. So Ikilima, you want me to teach you how to design a logo in a shortcut way and you people, you are funny, seriously. And you are making the class interested because you are funny. So what's wrong? What is going on? I don't know what's wrong with our NGO website. NGO website, what is wrong with you? Let's click it again. Our NGO, what's wrong? Okay, here we go. And this is a complete website as you can see. So this is our NGO. Wow. This website is fine and it's very beautiful. I love the website. You see, this is how the website looks like and I love it. So now the next thing we are going to start is just for us to start editing all the pages that is about everything and even the donate. You see, we can donate so that if anyone that want to donate money can click on donate to donate that. Maybe, okay, let me do something. Let me do something. Let me go to my Paystack account and pick some things so that maybe we can put even a Paystack link so whoever click on donate can redirect him to our payment page and the person can pay. It's just like to show you now, you can use Paystack if you want to get a payment gateway. It's just something that we'll use it when we go to e-commerce, even though seriously, I'm not covering Paystack at all because it's a very long process for you to do it. But if you want to learn it, go ahead. You can even learn it on your own. I just show you the website. So go there and just try to get that. And I don't know if I can recall. Okay, let me just try it. So let's start with the home page. So I will just click on this to click on edit with Elementor. So let me try to log in here. Don't know if this is the password. I don't even know. You see? Do log in. Wrong password. Is this the password? Yeah, it's the password. Okay, I have to put my OTP. Okay, here it goes. So I want to use the pay stack. I want to use it to create some. Okay, sorry. Let me go to payout. Sorry. Not this, not this, not this, not this, not this, not this. Sorry, I need this payment page. Let me create this. I'll make a subscription one time. Let me click on one time. So I will create it. Let me just call it a Mat Foundation. Don't worry, all this you don't need it. Maybe just you can put whatever you want to put. I can put image as just maybe what people can see to donate. It's just yeah. So I want to pick payment amount on this page. No, I don't want to pick payment amount. Did I need phone number of people that want to pay? Yeah, maybe I need their phone number to say thank you. Anything advanced? No, I don't need anything. But yeah, I can just create the URL to be a Mad Foundation. Redirecting after payment, I want it to be ngo.hamad website webinar.com. After the payment, success message, okay.com.ng, and I have to put https forward slash for the message. Thank you for your contribution. Yeah, send notification to, yeah, we need notification to info@hamadtechnologies.com. Yeah, so that's all. Do you want to collect any extra information? No, I don't. That's all. Maybe we can say full name. Maybe we can collect the full. Oh, but many people want it to be anonymous. So let me create the page. Okay, so this is the links that we are using. So if you visit the page, it will just show a page where people can donate. You see Hamad Foundation, you see this is it, and you can put your page name, email, you see, then the amount you want to pay, and you click on pay now. So I just did that and you watch. I know you maybe some of you learned something in this. Even if you didn't, don't worry. Go to Paystack, create account, register there for your client, use his account details or your account details and the rest. And this is what most of the foundation that you want to create website for them, they want that because they want to accept a lot of donation from people. They want to receive money from people. So try to learn how to do this because part of what your client might needed when the while developing an NGO website, they might ask you to do that for them to get a payment, to put a payment gateway on the website. Okay, so let's continue. Let's wait for it to finish and then we continue. We wait for it to finish loading. Okay, here we go. Let me cancel this. So I'm canceling the structure. So you already know all this. I don't need to start telling you this. So what we are going to do is if we want to edit the image of these children or the image of these people, we can edit that. But for now, I don't have much picture, but let's go to what the Unsplash. Let's go to unsplash.com. There are many high quality images there that we can use. But if we like, we can use our technologies images the way we used yesterday. But if you want high quality images, go and use that. But like I told you, don't use copyrighted pictures. Don't go and infringe some people or other people copyright. It's going to fire back, especially if it is a high brand company that we are developing website for them. So, but I'm using Ahmad Technologies website. If you want to get free website images for free with license that you can use, please go to unsplash.com and you can see a lot of high quality images there which you can use. So now let's go to my own image. That is our own company images, which we own the copyright and everything, and use the images. So we have some of the images here, I think, where we teach a lot of children, where a lot of people. I can get that. Yeah, let me go up a little bit. There are some pictures that I know we can use. So let's take this, let's take this, let's take this also. Yeah, these are the images I'm looking for. This, this, let's take, there are some for, yeah, school. Yeah, this is it. These are the secondary school students. Yes, for this, these are them. So let's just upload all these images and wait for them to finish uploading. So I saw a lot of messages. So let me go through. This one was asking you, Kamal. I think this is the first time I saw you in this class, and you're just asking us any question that you want to ask us. If you encounter a problem, but you deleted it and you solve the problem, that's all. How do you want us? There is no way you cannot encounter a problem while doing what you are doing. So please, where is Ahmad Technologies head office located, and does it have branch offices? Why are you asking us this question? Maybe if you want to come to us, don't even come to our office, please. Don't come to our office. Thank you so much, sir. Look at someone is asking, is there any other skill apart from website development I can recommend? There are millions of skills you can learn. Millions. Not do you think website development is the end of the world? There are millions, but I can't tell you what to learn. I can't tell you what to learn. Just learn what you want. How can we know that the picture has copyright? If the picture is not yours, it probably has copyright since it is not yours. So use the picture that is yours. That's what it is. Use the picture that is yours. So if the picture is not yours, definitely somebody owns copyright of the picture. So don't use it. That's it. Very simple. So let's use any question. I think let's use this picture here. So all these pictures are some of our trainings. So let's use this picture. Yeah, I think it's fine. We can use this. I think this one is fine, but it didn't look somehow actionable picture for me. Let's check another one. Let's use this and see. Let us use this one. So maybe this one is okay for the foundation. Maybe this one is okay. So let's continue. So we can edit this. Sorry, let me wait for it to come up. So because only together we can. Okay, where are the people that are helping us with the write up? Nura and Abdul Rakib, where are you? Please, where are you? Abdul Rakib, Nura, please help us with what we are going to put to build this website. Some of you can help us, please. Let's try and finish this thing in time, please. Please, let's rush. Let's rush. We have a lot. There are many pages on that company website, but I want us to even if we didn't finish this website tonight, we are done with it tonight. So you either try your best and let's finish it tonight, or you know we leave it maybe till next time. So this donate page, I'm going to paste the URL on that will take people to donate page. Don't worry, we will come to this donate page and I will show you what will happen here in this. So let's finish. So someone say touching lives and helping humanity. Together we unite Somal. Oh boy. So let's take this one. Saidu is the first one that took this. Touching lives and helping humanity. So thank you for this. Let's use that. So let's continue. What are we going to put here? Where they put build a world where all youth are safe and stronger. So give us something that we'll put there. Okay, before we go what we do now, we are looking for this. Build a world where all youth are safe, stronger, and valued. But this is more of technology, with current technology. So give us something that will sound technologically technology. Yeah, give us something foundational, something that looks technology. Empowered youth, brighter tomorrow. I think it's very short. Someone say preparing the youth for. Okay, so whatever you put, I didn't even read it. Oh, but let's put it. It's okay. Let's use it. So yeah, we use this preparing the youth for the future ahead in science and technology. So in science and technology, or in technology, if I get something better, I will edit it. But yeah, yeah. Let's continue. But in science and technology, not in science, only technology. Youth development is the future of IT tomorrow. Okay, let's continue, please. Let's continue. Read more. So under this read more, so we can maybe put this read more button and attach it to what we do or who we are. So any page that you want to attach it to, I think is supposed to be read more, supposed to be maybe what we do or who we are. No, it's supposed to be who we are. So let's text who we are page. This is the URL of who you are page, who we are page. So click delete this hash and paste the URL. So you already know how to do that. So read more, we can leave it read more. So not touch anything. Let's continue. So we have another container here, empowering youth communities to okay, we can use that here. So let's click on this container and change the image also. So let's click on it. So let's go to style. We are changing the image of these children. So I'm sorry, I'm waiting for it. So let's change the image. So you can use your mobile phones and go to the who we are and other images so that we can okay, let's use this image. This training was around 2017, I think. Oh, yeah, it was around 2017 or 16. So I think the students here, they are all graduates now when we held the training. So I put that. So let's edit the text that is here. Okay, so who we are. So did you drop who we are? Okay, yeah. I saw Yahya Abubakar. So let me pick the one that is very closer. So who we are partnering to build a world where all children are seriously. So just hold on. Let me paste this long English here. So whenever you click on it, when you see this P, please don't touch it. Wait for it until it's finished loading. It will show you a clear, yeah, a clear text like this without that P tag. That is paragraph tag. Please don't paste it in paragraph tag. Don't do that. So let's put give me something very short that I'll put here under this partnering. So let me put this innovative picture. I just see it and I'm putting it there. So whoever put it, thank you. So let's see there is another paragraph that we are going to put. So let me go up there and see it. So the picture belongs to the youth. Let's paste this. So we are done with this. Okay, so this is it. So let me change this picture of this and this. This and this, we are changing their picture. So let me see who we are going to put there. Let's put someone there. Okay, not these pictures. I think we need to upload other pictures. So today almost everyone is contributing. So why are we here? Okay. So I'm not using my picture. So I will use this picture of Saidu. I'll use this picture, Saidu's picture. And then let me see. Let me see. Ah, maybe I'll use this picture of Abaka. But they are of two different. Okay, let me use the pictures we used yesterday. We're supposed to use this one, but assuming we can get another picture with the same portrait. So, but we can use these two up Yahya and okay, let's use this picture, Facilitator and Yahya. Let me use these two pictures. So I'll put these two pictures in there because they are all portrait and I believe they are all of the same size. Okay, so let's use this one first. Let me use this one for the facilitator and let me use this one for, yeah, yeah. So I'm just changing the images. The images is not that the way I want them to be, because if I'm going to do this, I'll open my Photoshop, I will decide them to be fit the size the way they're supposed to. But don't worry, it's just like we are just, let's just continue. So these are the two pictures we are using. So let's move. So all these pictures of these children, this is a, what do they call it? They call it like a picture container. All this, as you can see, these are the pictures of children. So it's just a carousel. I think that's what they call it. So we are changing the pictures. We edit the pictures. Look at the pictures here. There are six. So all you need to is to click on this pencil. We are deleting all the six images that are here. We are changing them with our images. So I'm just deleting them all because we need to use our images. So this is it. Then I'll click on select files. So then we can, okay, sorry, I think we can add. Okay, we cannot add, yeah, we must select it. We must upload another ones. Yeah, we must upload. So we cannot select from the uploaded ones. So let me go back to that folder because that's where we have some of the pictures I want us to use. I want us to use pictures of these children. Yeah, we can use this. Yeah, where are those ones? Can use this and make sure you use images with the same size. Seriously, because if you use the ones that are without the same size, it will look somehow not the way it's supposed to look. So, but let me use this. Let's hope all of them have the same size. If not, we are going to delete some and leave the ones we want. So let's wait and finish. Are you with me, please? Can you hear me? Okay, 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 okay. Hold on. One image left. Okay, so let's click on insert. So now after inserting, make sure you look at the size of the images. They're supposed to have the same size. So whenever you are putting images like this, they're supposed to have the same size. If you don't know how to decide them, please give it to someone who is very good in photo editing, and then you will edit the images in the same size that you want. You see, it's because they don't have the same size. That why this one has different size. Let me go back. I will delete it. So it's the only one. Oh boy. You see, this ones has different size with this. Okay, let me delete them. We are only two. So I'll remove them. So I'll remove this and this. So they are aliens. So let me leave this. So when we leave these ones, you see that it will, the images now will fit the same size, the same everything, and they will just continue scrolling like this. So you can add as many as you can. You see now there is no that pink color and that. So now everything is perfect. The images looks perfect. You can scroll it and the images can just keep going one after the other. So like that. So now if you want, there is a way you can edit this. Maybe you see now it's showing like four images in one row. So maybe I can leave it three. So if you edit it to three, it will only show three images. So you see it shows three and they are bigger. So now it will keep scrolling like that and continue. So that's it. I think if you want to change the arrow, you can change it either arrow or dots or none or arrow and dots. You see there will be a dot under here and there will be arrow here. So the person can continue. But I don't need this dot because it will create that pink color for you. So just leave the arrow so that it will continue. So we are done with this. Let's move. So there are many things here, about six of them. We find and build, we build network, we straight. Please start giving us something that we'll put here so that we continue. Please, please drop something, drop something, drop something related to these five things. I told you, check your mobile phones. The website is live. All of you can see the website. So give us something that we'll put on this 6W. We find. Let's continue, please. Okay, okay, okay. We find and fund. Please go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. We find and fund. Give us something. We build network. We educate. Give us something, please. Start dropping. Start dropping. Start dropping. Start dropping text. Okay, we educate. Okay. Sorry. Okay, when I dropping, we educate. Okay, Husseini. I'm copying what Husseini dropped. But we are putting not much. Don't give us much text, please. Just minimize the text. Maybe the characters should be very minimal, please, so that it will just be within the what is supposed to be. So that we minimize the characters, because this one is even much. We believe education is more than classroom, and books it and books. I didn't even understand this English. It is more than classroom and books, comma. It is empowerment, character building, and okay. So I believe in this. So let's continue. Please give us something. Please don't give too much text, please, so that we find our font. Okay, where is we find our font? Okay, it's what okay, we educate. Okay, I made a mistake. This belongs to we educate. So I'm sorry. Let me copy it and paste it under we educate. So where is what Abdurraqib dropped for the we find? We find our font is here. So after we find our font, we build network. Let me see what you drop. We provide opportunity. We provide opportunities under what? Do we have we provide opportunity? Okay, yeah, we provide care. So let's update it to we provide opportunity. So let me update the text. Instead of we provide care, so let's say we provide opportunity. So that's it. Thank you, Zainab Mohammed. So where it is, we consult. Yeah, this we consult is too is too short. Can you increase it? Digital literacy also it is too short. We build network. Please just give like five since we started to put that. So we build networks. Okay, here it is. Please keep coming. We need like two lefts. We strengthen and we consult. And all this you can change it to something else. We provide care. Okay, thank you. We build network. I use it. Okay, we strengthen. So it's only one that left. We consult. Can you give us something? Can you give us something? So now we have the last one is we consult. That's all what left. Give us we consult. Okay. So I got we consult. So here it is. We are done with this six. So let's move. Let's move. Let's move. Let's move. Read more. Read more also, so we can take the person to what we what we do. So here we can put what we do here. So instead of what who we are there. So let's put what we do. So let's continue. Impact stories. So if there is any story, maybe there are people you change their lives and you want to put their story, please give us something that you're all part of our foundation. So you are part of the beneficiaries. Give us something so we put your name and we just continue. Give us something, give us something, give us a review. Give us a review. Give us a review. Give us a review. I'll just put a review and I'll put your name and give us maybe your name and yeah, you are not a migrant. Maybe you are graduate of this, of this, of that. Please give us something. Let some people give us their review. Since it's a foundation website we are developing. Okay. Okay, look at this person. Please, in your chat GPT, why can't you remove all these emojis? I said you give us a review. A review, your review. Okay, so Amina was a shy tele. Is it Amina or Zainab? So is Zainab drop Amina's story? So what? Who are we using? Are we using Amina or we are using? Which one are we using, please? Is it Amina or Zainab? It's Zainab that drop Amina's story. So this is odd. No, you give your own story, please. Every number we share. What did he say? Okay, so let's take this one. So I'll use one male, one female. So yeah. So this is Abdul Rakib. Let's delete this. And this is for Amina. It's Amina or Zainab? I don't even know. It's Zainab that dropped Amina's history. So meet Amina. Amina who? Abdul Rakib who? Abdul Rakib, give us your name. Okay, Abdul Rakib Ibrahim. Okay, let me just say a child gaining access to education or to tech skills. Not a child. You are not a child, a youth or a graduate. It can be anything. So let's put this. Amina. Why is that Amina, please? Amina who? What are we using? Okay, so now let me continue. So we are done with this. So the only thing is always try to balance what is here and what is here so that your everything will be intact. So that's something that I always watch it. So now with this AI, you can even count how many words you want in this, how many words you want in this. So here I will just delete some things so that I will make it looks, somehow okay. Okay, so I will just delete one paragraph here. Let me delete this. Yeah, so now you see it just looks somehow. So for this read more and read more is if you have a page that talks about them or something like that, you can put read more for them. Here also you can put read more for them. If time permit us, which seriously it will not. But if you no, you can just put this read more, you can put what we do. Just put that what we do link here so that whoever click on it, it will take him to what you are doing. So just put what we do under here. There's something I don't even want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it seriously. So this image, I love this image. Seriously, whenever I create this NGO website using this theme, I don't remove this image. I don't remove it unless maybe the client asks me to remove it. Then of course I will remove it, but I don't remove the image. Seriously, I don't remove the image because I love the image. The image looks very good. The children are playing. You see, they are playing, and the image is, if you want to create this kind of image, believe me, because look at the image, there is a space at the top of the image. This is only where the children are. So if you like, you remove the image and put whatever you want. But me, I'm not removing it. So for the partners, so if you have partners, you put all the images of partners. But so far, there is no partner. So maybe you can click here and delete all these that are here. So if you want to put your partners, just click on add images. Then you add the logos of your partners and make sure the logos are at this of the same size. The way you see these logos, you put them. So if we don't have any partner, it's only Hamad Technologies. So I'll add Hamad Technologies logo and I'll upload that white logo that we have. So it's our partner. So Hamad Technologies, sorry, is the partner. So let's put the image. Oh boy, it's almost 10 p.m. No matter how fast I want us to finish this class. Seriously, we are still on one page. We'll stop here and move because tonight we have finished this. We are finishing this NGO. Even if we didn't finish it, I know you can finish it. Even if we didn't, you can finish it. So the only thing maybe after this, we'll just look at some of the pages. If there is anything that maybe I know you didn't learn how to do it. So for this one, yeah, for this one, don't worry. This one is a footer. You cannot touch it here. It's just a footer. You cannot edit it. So don't mind this. If we want to, if we are going to edit the footer, we'll talk on it. So here it is. We only have one partner, Hamad Technologies. So that's it. So this is it. We are done with page one, which is home. So let's click on published. So we are done with home. So the next thing is who we are. Let me go to what we do. This is what we do and see if there are things. Okay, under this what we do. Yeah. So we need to change all these images and put this. You see? You see? So this is something that we need to come and edit. So let me click on edit with Elementor on what we do. So on who we are, let me see if there is something that you don't know how to do it. Yeah, this our mission vision. Please, we can do all this together right now. It's not something that will take much time. So even here, I'll just click on edit with Elementor. So let me go to our partner page and see if there is anything also needed there to be done. All these are very simple. Within 15 minutes, we'll finish. So it's all the domain. Don't worry for the domain. I'll show you what we are going to do on this domain. I'll show you what we are going to do for this domain. So our partners. We don't have any partner. This way we can delete this page. We don't even need this page. So for the domain, I said I will show you for this GIF when we are editing that. So let's just edit this two. With okay, there is contact page. Contact us. Let's go to contact us. So I'm deleting our partners, please. We don't have any partner. But if you have any partner, you know how to edit it. Come there and edit it. But for now, we are not editing it. So let's wait for these two to finish and then we continue. Let's wait for it to finish loading, please. Okay, so here we go. So first of all, this image, if we want to change this image of what we do, so I'll put that image. Let me go to style. I'll be a little bit faster so that we can finish this in time tonight. Tomorrow we are going to start the blog and news company. So blog and news is almost the same. So, but when we do one, the other one you can do it. So you can either make it a blog or you can make it newspaper, anyone you choose, you can do it. So give us something, please. Let's put here. Just give us something. Someone see all the changes we make there. I just click on publish when we are done with home. If you go back and change home, you will see the changes. Are you saying what we are doing is not? Maybe some of you will just come and tell us someone is waiting for us to make mistake and say, yeah, all what we are doing is even line. Don't worry. All what we are doing, you will see it there. You will see it. Don't worry. Okay, there is one text that Abdullah Musa dropped, so I go back to the chat and pick it. Equipping student and youth. So equipping youth with essential digital skill for the modern world. So please give us something here that we are going to put. Some of you, please help us. Empowering, yeah, thank you, Abdullah Musa. So we are all using what you have gave us. So we use it there, and I use it also here. So let's continue. Let's move forward. So these 6 Ds that we just have here. So we already have it. So I'm deleting the entire this thing. But before I finish, but let me go back to this so that we save the template. You already know how to do this. It's not something new to you. So I know you are expert in that. So just go to this, right click. When you right click is you go to save as a template. When you come to save as a template, you give it a name. So let's just give it a name and call it what? What do we want to call it? Let's just call it what's the name of it? What we do. Let's call it what we do. What we do. So click on save. Just wait for it to finish saving. Wait for it to finish saving. Then you come back here and you click on this add template. You come to templates. Under templates, you will see what we do. And then you click on insert. Then you click on apply, and that's all. So now we are done with this. I'm deleting that second one since we don't need it. Okay, so here it is. So I'm deleting this one. I'm deleting this one. So what we care. So all these images, if we want, we can all put all the text here, please. So please go ahead and start giving us some text we can put under all this, because I want us to edit all these images so that the website will be more real than the rest. And all of you will see how you can do it. Please let's do it very fast. Or maybe I'll leave it to you. I'll put this image. What is wrong? Okay, here we go. So here we go. I'm sorry. Here's the network. So let's scroll down and see the image we just added. So here is the image. So, but like I said, all the images, you're supposed to make the images to look the way they're supposed to. So let me click on this one also to add another image. But I have only 2 images of this size. And even all of the images are not even the same size. So the ones that I have with the size, Even this one is not at the same at that one. So let me click this one and see. You see, this one is different size. This one is different size. Normally, I want the images to be of the same size. You too, please, when you are building yours, make sure all the images are of the same size so that it will not look somehow unprofessional because I always resize my images to have the same size and the same pixel. So please, you too, make sure you do that. Let me add this and see. You see, this and this have the same size. So let me change this one and see if it will have the same size with the three because I would love that more. If it didn't, definitely I'm going to find another one that will have the same size with it, with the rest. So you see, I have to go and find an image that looks the same like this. I'm sorry, that's what I do because I always want it to be, yeah, to look good. So sorry, I have to go back to such images because I will get the image that looks the same. I'll get it. I'll get it. I'll get image. You see this one will do it. This one will do it, I believed. I'm sorry. I think this one will have the same size. Yeah, this one has the same size with the rest. So please go ahead and keep giving us this. I will keep adding the images. Now I'll add another three. So I'll add another three. So keep dropping the text we are putting there. So immediately I added the images, I'll just come and put the text and we move. So here I'll put this one. Here I'll put here I'll put this one. So you see all these have the same size. So here I'll put this. I'll put this. Okay, so where are the text, please? Okay, bring in dreams where it is. Let me check up. Okay, thank you, Abdurrakib. Let me keep adding. Okay, I'm done with this. Keys to pictures. I'm done with it. So boys rise to greatness in Nigeria, not Burkina Faso. So in Nigeria. Okay, so here I will use where it is. Okay, so we are done with this. Okay, sorry. I'm supposed to click here. Okay. Mm-hmm. Next one. Finding new life, education and please, where am I? Okay. This is on this on which page? I saw Abdullah Musa drop something. Abdulrakib, you didn't finish put you only put for three. Where are the rest, please? Drop the rest. Let's finish this, please. Started to get tired. Oh. And that's all. Immediately after these three, we are done with the page. We'll move to the next one. Please drop the three that left. Abdulrakib, you started putting it one after the other, and I love the ones you put. Please drop the last ones. Ah. Remain two, please. Rush. Remain two, remain two, remain two. Remain two. Abdurraqib. Yeah, bringing dreams. Thank you. Okay, so remain one. The children who break new ground. That's all we've left. So remain one. Okay, thank you so much. So we are done with this page, and then we are moving uh to the next page. So we are done with this page. Let's click on publish. So that's all. So let's come to the next page. So please open it with your mobile phone. You already know what we need to put there to finish it. Please. I don't want to leave you with anything. I want us to finish everything together. Okay. So here we go. For this page, okay, let me have something little to put here. Let me have something to put here. Where is Abdullah that give us something? Okay, what we are. So let me come down. No, here are things that our mission. So where is our mission? Who put our mission before? So our mission, let's need our mission, our vision, our story. Then this facilitates. So these are the things we need here and the few text here. Partnering to build world where all youth and children. So let me edit it. Can learn more than the just skills. So give us something that we can put there also. Then we continue. Okay, our mission. So give us something that we can put on top of there. Before this, our mission and vision. But it's fine. You draw. Let me just drop it as you put it. Give us something. Give us something, please. Let me post edit the image that is here. Yeah, thank you so much, Abdurrakib. Please, is Abdurrakib only the person that is here? Where are the rest? And thank God ChatGPT is even free. Some of you can all just go there and just fix this thing and help us so that we can finish this together. He's the only one doing all the hard work. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. So I got our vision and our story also. Then I saw something that Abdul Rakib dropped, which we can use up there together. So let's have this facilitate and let's have some small text here also. Please try and get ones for us, please. Try and get ones for us. This text is too much. It's fine. Please give us something. Give us something. Give us something. Okay, who we are. Okay, so let me put this. But there is something here that we want to put a text here. We already put something partnering to build a world. We already put something there. Just give us a text, some few paragraphs that we can put here and here so that we move. Let me change this image before then. Okay, I saw our approach. No, we already have this approach. It's just here that we want something here. Let me just put this. Let me just put it here. We are committed to creating. Okay, let me put it here. So I need another paragraph. Just keep dropping some paragraph. I'll just keep picking it. So there is, we are dedicated. So let me put it here. I'm just, pasting it so that we can be very fast to finish everything. So I have another paragraph here. Let me pick. So I need one single paragraph, small paragraph, one small paragraph to pitch everything. Look at this. We are human beings. You, if you don't have anything to say, why will you do? No, we are AI, not human beings. Please, don't go and create a website. No, we are not human beings. Kai, must you drop something? If you don't have anything to drop, please just don't say anything, please. Oh, you see, we are human beings, and Kai, some people just okay. So here it is. Let me come down. So there is nothing. It's only these partners. So we are removing all of them and change them to. We'll use our math technologies. Okay, so thank you so much for that. So thank you so much for this. Thank you so much. You see, all these things that we are doing, someone is not saying anything, but he's only using his mobile phone to check whether what we are doing is is showing or not. Okay, okay, we are done with this. Okay, I didn't change these images, so I used the ones there. So let's use the same images that we put there. Let's put them here also. Seriously, let me tell you this, I'm tired. Maybe I'll just go and show you the footer header and we remove that page, and then I'll show you how to put that link for the donation. So I think that's all what we'll do. The rest you can all make the changes, I believe. I'm just taking you through all this so that you will keep seeing how you can do this, how you can edit this. All this is when you keep doing it, you will master it and you'll be able to do a lot with it. So don't worry. Just like I know you can do this. So the next thing I think we are going to do after this, so you can go and change the contact page. You can do it by yourself. It's not that much. Just go there and do it. Please go and do it. Yeah, I wanted to do everything. Sorry. I wanted to do everything so that we can have the complete website. So now what we are going to do is to edit the header. So now go to customize, that what we did yesterday. So we are going to edit the header and the footer. So that's what we are going to do. So just click on customize. So let's go to customize and start the customizing of the header. I told you we are removing our partner page. We don't need it. But of course, I will edit this contact page for you. Don't worry, since I want us to finish everything. I want us to finish everything. I don't want us to have any carry left over to tomorrow. So that tomorrow we'll start new website again. So after tomorrow we have 2 days left. After next tomorrow we have 1 day left. So you see, before you know it, we are done. Before you know it, we are done. So I'm waiting for it to finish loading. So before it finish, let's wait for also customize to finish loading. So we'll finish it all together. And then, like I told you, I'll put what did I say? I'll put the donation link. So whoever paid money is going to our account. But please, I'm not asking you to pay anything. It's just like I'm showing you how it is. Okay. I'm not asking you to pay anything. It's just to show you. Just wait for it to finish loading. So here, this is okay, this is the contact. So let's change this contact. Look at this very beautiful image. But we are changing it. We are using our own. Very good looking image. Look at this innocent girl. So let's use another one for the contact. Maybe let's use this one because we didn't use it. We'd love to hear from you. Please write or call to us. You see, this is the address. So let's put the address. That's the address. So this is it. Let's update the phone number and then we update the. So you click here, you update the phone number. info@gmail.com. So that's our email. So keep in touch. I already told you you can add all these social media if you want. So under this, keep in touch. For the Facebook is facebook.com/Hamad Tech01. For the Twitter also x.com/Hamad Tech01. So now if you want to add for the Instagram, you can delete it, then click on add item. Then you can change the icon, put Instagram. So if you come here and search for Instagram, you will see Insta. Just click on this, then you add the URL instagram.com/Hamad Technologies. So this is it. Use the official color if you want. Maybe all this you can use official color for each of them so that it will looks more awesome. So you can do that. But I'm not taking that, so it's okay. Just click on this. That's all. We are done with this. So let's just take this, let's change this. We are just a call or reach out or speak with us. Now, I just put this, don't worry. So that's for the this. We are done with this page. So let's come to customization. So under customize, we are going to customize the footer and also that header and the header and that footer. And then we finish the donation link, and that's all. That's all for today. Okay, so here it is. Let's wait for it. It's coming up. It's coming up. It's coming up. Thank God. Thank God. Here we go. So first of all, we can edit the logo. Just click the pencil the way we did it yesterday. So we can edit the logo. So we don't have any foundation logo, but we can put the one we have. So we are putting the blue one, not the white one like yesterday. So let me put the two logos. I'll put it here and I'll put it there. So if I want to maybe create for the foundation, I'll create logo that looks like this. Okay, what happened? So I click on change logo. So I have to upload that blue one, not this white one. Are you all together with me or you are sleeping? I know many of you are sleeping, seriously. Some of you are just online or you have slept. Maybe till when you wake up tomorrow, you will listen to me saying this and you will laugh and say, yeah, you are just holding your phones. Most of you are asleep. So I will skip cropping, like I said. Or if we want, we can crop. But I need to crop seriously because it's too wide. The way we did it yesterday, if you can recall, yesterday we crop it. So I will change it and I supposed to crop it. Let me click on it again and we crop it because there are a lot of extra spaces. So let's crop it. Yeah, let's leave it here. Like this. So let me click on crop. So now we crop it. Oh, so there are a lot of people. Yeah. Okay. So I'm not alone, seriously. So let me change this one. Don't worry, I will resize it after I put the second one. So I'll select the cropped one. So then I will reduce it. Yeah. You see, it fits. Now it's okay. So if we are done, we can click on published when we are done. So that's it. So now let's come to menu. So for the menu, we are deleting our partners. Even this donate, we'll delete it. This give is what we will make to be our donate. So go to configure menu from here. Click on it. Just click on configure menu from here. In the next 5 minutes, we are done. So before 11 p.m., we'll be surely done. So click on this again, primary menu. Just click on it again. We are not creating any menu because you know sometimes you can create sub menus. So under this primary menu, click on edit menu. There is a way we can do this. There is a way we can do this from dashboard. That is from our main dashboard. There is a way we can do this. But I want us to do it here. Since we are on customize, I want us to do it here. So just click on edit menu. So now you can see all these are the pages that we have on here. They are here. So we are deleting our partners. So just click on this Elementor. Click on it. Click on it on this Elementor. You see when you click on it, it will show this to you. Scroll down. Let's hope we can even remove it from it because I know we can, but sometimes we can't. I'm not using mouse all these days. Let me try. So you see, you can click on remove to remove it. Just remove. So when you remove it, it will be removed from the list of the menus that we have. Remove it. Another thing that we are removing is donate. I told you we are removing donate. So just click on this donate. Click on it also and scroll down. Click on remove. So now we remove it. So we don't need our partners. We don't need that. So now we are done with that. So you can click publish if you like. Then we continue. But let's wait for it to finish loading. So now you see we don't have donate. So even donate is supposed to be gone. So but don't worry, when it refresh, it will remove the donate. So now this give button, just click on the pencil. So this give button will turn it to donate. So this is the button. You see there is button here. But just wait for it. It will take us to where it is since we click on it. Because there are three elements that are on the header. Take note on this. Site logo, primary menus, and then call to action button. So this is the call to action button. So we are changing it to, instead of give, we'll say donate. So let's turn it to donate. This is the button we will use for donate. I'm sorry. It's because I click on it. Let me click on back. Or maybe I'll click it again. It will bring us to the button. It's too slow. Let's click the button. Here it is. So instead of give, we'll change it to donate. Donate. Then you recall our link. That is our donation link or pay stack. So we bring it here. So I just copy the link. So we are deleting the hash and we paste the link. So that's all. That's all. So now we are done. So it's only this donate that is still there. We're supposed to remove that donate. I don't want to see it. I don't know why it still remain there. Just hold on. I don't know why this donate is still there. We remove it. Maybe it's after we click. So let me click configure. Click on this primary menu. Let me click on it. I'm so sorry, please. I'm so sorry. We are finishing this. Ah, it's almost 11. Oh my God. Okay, I remove it, but it's supposed to be gone. So let's click on published. Let me click on publish. So now I will scroll down. Let me refresh the page now and see. Sorry. Okay, so you see there is no that donate. You see there is no donate. So now if you click on this donate, you see it takes us directly to the pay stack. So we put our full name, first name, second name, this, and let's try it and see. So now when you click this, then you put the money you want to put. Maybe I want to pay 100,000. So you see, then you click on pay. So once you click on pay now, it will redirect you to where you make the payment. You put your ATM card, you put everything, you donate money to the account of the foundation. So this is how you do this. This is how you create this. So you see, it will bring you where you can put your ATM, or you can transfer the money, or you can do whatever you want to do. You can even use OPay to make the payment. So that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Okay, okay, okay. So I think this brings us to the end of this class. I think that's bring us to the end of this class. Please go ahead if you have any question, ask. If you don't, let's call it a day and see you tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll start the news and blog website. Any question? Okay. Please, I'm not talking about my previous videos. You are asking me in my previous videos, I use Wemobu. I'm not talking about my previous videos. If you are with us here, please focus on what I'm teaching you here. This is the updated. And I told you, focus on this. If you watch all the videos, I told you why you use Domain King. If you like, you use it. If you don't like, use whatever you want to use. That's all. But I'm just telling you, you are in this class, so you have the updated message that I'm saying, telling you. So I'm not talking about anything other than what we are discussing in this class, please. So any other question, please, if you have any question, other question. Yes, if you provide admin login details to the client, unless maybe you change their role, not all roles can do what you are doing. But take note, once you offer the admin client admin password, that is that back end password and this to them, they can edit the website. They can put whatever they want to put. So whenever you are giving them that, you either train them or you warn them. Give them a statutory warning that they make a mistake, if they scatter it, if they do this, they are paying new money. So that's on them. So once they have the admin details, they can edit the website. That's one thing you should know. And that's why you can't just give that to them, even the admin back, unless they request it. If they request it, give it to them, but you warn them. And don't even show them how to do it. You warn them on what will happen. Okay, I'll give it to you, but please don't do this, don't do that. Or if you like, go and do it. Someone was asking if you can make the images size in Edit with Elementor. Regarding putting images, can I make them of the same size I didn't even get what you are saying. I didn't understand entirely. I didn't understand what you are saying. We are using Edit with Elementor to upload images. I don't know what you are saying. Can I make of the same? Please, can you clear the question? Please, I want us to go. Tired, seriously, I'm tired. How to know people that are visiting your website? If you don't have something serious to ask, please stop asking me. You're just learning how to develop your website and you're asking people that are visiting your website. Ibrahim, please ask questions that are, if you don't have any question, just stop asking all these, kind of questions. I don't think they are even relevant to what we are doing. Who cares about people that are visiting your website? Do you even care what are you going to do with them? It's a website, not status viewers, please. It's not a status on WhatsApp. Maybe you will view who view your status. It's just some things, even if they are even important, not to you now. Now as that it is now. So there is no anything, please. Let's call it a day. See you tomorrow and have a great night. Bye bye.